teman ya di kamsai jai mong.
Teman ko pa miya meh. Yang hana hab mudu ya hu MLA sungyi.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino meh mga. Abang alim ta la post nyang men buat show.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Daki Hajar Ngut ki Paidbah na ki jaj ben riu ba phero kila mi sha surok ha Manipur bat kila pelong da ka Jingïaid rally ya ka balatip kum ka Manipur kanba khongchan lani safe Manipur ka rally kala sedang namadan tidim bat latmu ben penkut shamadan thau ki Paidbah kila ra ki plakat bandawa ya ka sarkar ba ka diun penbet no ki Jingïaid jong ki nong Manipur kham tam ki tu ki bra ka lap hetwir nala yeng lasam bat kila dawaru ba di ben phia ya ka Manipur Kidawa na ka sarkar bakadiban penne ya ka syongsuk syongsan bat ban ajing ada ya ki Paidbah. Kini kerali bala pelong da ka Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity. Bat lawan management da ki Paidbah na ki district beper. Satang khat arsngi ka jingsan shar president ha Manipur kandap shisnam kanthi. Hadin ka jing resign no jong Ubirin Singh na ka shuki menteri rangba. Namar ka jinga kan at kabala shirkai kabala ja ha Manipur ha ka ba palat arspa ngut ki brieu ki layap. Bat ki Pau Hajar ngon kila patch nong ha ka jinga kan at ha preng ka jait ben riu. Mei tei bat ku ki zu.
The demand of the indigenous people of Manipur, they are just seeking integrity of Manipur, and nobody cannot compromise against the integrity of Manipur. So that's the slogan, and the other part is that they want a resettlement for the people, the IDP who has been staying in relief camp without any kind of justice, and even for the Manipur without any kind of justice for 1004 days in Manipur without justice, and they want to remove cookie narco terrorists from the soil of Manipur so that every youth stay healthy and young. And so there are millions today. I think millions of people are participating in this rally. Countless number of people who are coming out to the road and seeking for justice from the government of India, and India has to recognize this, and they are your people. They have casted their vote and selected you as a leader, and you as a leader has to give a kind of proper solution to the people of Manipur who has been living without justice for 1004 days in Manipur, and especially for the IDP, it has to be given a resettlement because they cannot live forever in relief camp or in prefabricated house. It's been almost 3 years now, and they are not getting any kind of privilege of fundamental right. So I seek the government of India to give a fundamental right equivalent with any kind of citizen who are living out here in India, equivalent to them, because they cannot live in an open jail. It's a family doesn't get any kind of privacy staying in a relief camp. So that's the demand has come out, and this countless number of people are demanding this, and government has to listen, open your eyes. If you are sleeping, please wake up and listen to the voice of the people, of the indigenous people of Manipur. So that's it for the time being.